Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
First, back up your iPhone using iCloud or a computer before changing settings. Open Settings, then General, then Software Update to manage updates directly. Tap Automatic Updates and toggle the switch off to stop background installs. After that, disable Wi-Fi to prevent the device from downloading an update automatically. Keep cellular data on if you still need internet access and want to avoid large downloads. This ensures your device will not install updates without your consent. If an update already downloaded, remove it to prevent installation when connecting to Wi-Fi. Open Settings, then General, then iPhone Storage to view storage and find the iOS update entry. Tap the update and choose Delete Update to remove the downloaded installer from your device. After deleting, keep automatic updates toggled off so the system will not reinstall silently. If the update reappears, repeat deletion or temporarily keep Wi-Fi disabled until you decide to install. For long-term control, plan when you will update and set reminders on your calendar. When you are ready, return to Settings, General, Software Update, and toggle automatic updates back on. Consider installing only critical security updates promptly to protect your device and personal data. Regularly check iPhone storage to ensure no update files have reappeared. If you need absolute control, keep Wi-Fi off until you choose to update, and use backups before installing any major update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.